Fresh leaks are shedding light on Lenovo's next gaming handheld, the Legion Go S. Allegedly powered by AMD's Ryzen Z2, this device is set to deliver an affordable alternative in portable gaming. With black and white color options and some intriguing features, this might be Lenovo's boldest move yet in the handheld market. Let's dive into what the Legion Go S brings to the table. Designed as a more budget-friendly option, it trades the cutting-edge specs of the original Legion Go for AMD's Zen 3 Plus and RDNA 2 architecture. While these are slightly older technologies, they're still powerful enough to deliver a smooth gaming experience, especially with its smaller display, which means fewer pixels to push. The device features an 8-inch screen with a crisp 1920 by 1200 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. It's a bit smaller than the 8.8-inch display on its predecessor, but it still offers plenty of real estate for gaming on the go. Lenovo has also made a design shift, ditching the detachable gamepads in favor of a fixed, ergonomic layout similar to the Asus ROG Ally. There's also a dedicated Steam button on board. However, it's unclear whether this signals support for SteamOS, or if it simply launches the Steam app on Windows 11 Home, which is the expected operating system. Rumors suggest a SteamOS version could happen, but so far, nothing has been confirmed. Battery life is another area of improvement, with the Legion Go S reportedly packing a larger 55.5 watt-hour battery. Combine that with modern connectivity options like Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, and this device is shaping up to handle gaming sessions with ease. As for the price, leaks point to a starting cost of around €600. This makes it a strong contender for gamers who want a capable handheld without going all in on the premium segment. And while Lenovo hasn't made an official announcement yet, CES 2025 seems like the perfect venue to unveil this device. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.